Would I recommend Vaca to anyone else? 100%. Everything start to finish, they turned up on time, very polite, cleaned up after each day. Yeah, worked at lightning speeds, they were just great.
Team of guys were great. The process was relatively quicker than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I'd have absolutely no problem in recommending Vaca installation and rendering to anybody.
The reason why we chose Vaca insulation was after meeting Alex. I felt confident that he would deliver. He listened to everything that we were after. He was very easy to work with. Nothing was too much trouble. Anything we suggested, he was happy to work with us basically. For sure, I would recommend Vaca insulation. We actually had more than 10 people visiting, and I think this is the best company to go with. Before we actually chose them, we went to see some of their other work, so we couldn't find any faults at all, and even with the work they've done, it's absolutely spectacular.
So I found it didn't really interfere with my day. They kept me up to date with what they were doing each step, and they kept the driveway and the area, surrounding areas really nice and clean. They were really useful and helpful with any questions that I had. So I would 100% recommend Vaca Insulation and Rendering. They've done a great job, I'm really happy with it. The price was great and the team were amazing.
So why we went with Vaca Insulation was, it was a recommendation first of all from a friend. So as soon as I met Vasi and Alex, you know, it was almost a case of, wow, okay, these guys know what they're talking about. The installation process and the team, I would say, were absolutely phenomenal. If you're ever in doubt, I would certainly say these are the people that you need to go to.